Sneeze.
You haven't do, it's not a command.
Sneeze, Chrissy. Sneeze.
Lenny, shut up.
Lenny, just shut up. Do you want him to sneeze?
It's caused by a coagulation of muscle proteins when the body is exposed to extremely high temperatures.
Like fire?
This degree of infection is observed exclusively in verbally.
There was no fire.
And no epidermal burns to indicate as much. When I opened up the skull, I found extradural hemorrhages which can only be caused by
What have you been eating?
somehow this man
Oh, is it that there's a bit of hair up your nose?
physiological responses haven't been enough fixed.
Any theories?
I can't even begin to explain what could have caused something like this. I mean, it was
This is so
as if his body.
Yeah, Chrissy, I think it might go away now. Probably. I'm not saying it has. Sneeze machine!
Now that's some loud.
But you're not a machine, so.
It all looks new too.
It does, okay. Left the door open, will it?
Now you're making me sneeze, puss puss.
Not a good idea leaving the door open in this neighborhood. You never know who's gonna drop by. What are you
It's
doing?
okay, you didn't mean for it to happen.
How long have you been in town?
Probably got him because he likes to rub his face on me.
My dear.
He loves it. It's how he shows his affection. Hair got a bit up my nose.
My door? I'm dead.
Is it gone?
I'm getting it off my head.
Is it gone, puss puss? Is it gone, Chrissy? 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 Is it gone?
Seeing the faces.
I'm guessing grits.
What's wrong, Chrissy? You a bit itchy?
What's the difference? All going to hell, right? Where do you think we've been the past 24 years? What do you want, dear priest?